Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I'm going to be using Google Forms today to create a quiz to give my students in my high school chemistry class. But first I'm going to go into the Google Waffle, and you have to scroll down till you see the purple symbol for Google Forms. And once you select that, you'll see that across the top are some pre-made possibilities, such as a course evaluation, an exit ticket. As I said, though, I'm selecting a blank quiz today, but I can give my students a quiz from Unit 1. And the first question I'm going to add is going to be a multiple choice. And I'd like to ask them, an atom of neon is an example of, get rid of that component, element, compound, or a mixture. Now that question is set up, so I'm going to go to a second multiple choice question and ask them, salt water is an example of an element, compound, or a mixture. If I go back to my questions, these are the only two multiple choices I'm going to compose right now. I'm going to create an answer key since multiple choices can be automatically graded. And so this is an element. And I also have a choice of how many points I want it worth. So I'm going to select 2 points for this particular question. And I'm going to go down to question number 2, select answer key again. It happens to be an element happens to be a mixture, not an element. And let's say for some reason I felt this question was worth twice the value as the other. So you can see I can have it worth 4 points instead of 2. And you can go on and create an entire multiple choice quiz. But I'd like to highlight that there are other possibilities. So I'm going to create, using the tools over here, a different section to the quiz. So this will create another boxed area. And in this boxed area, I'm going to title it open response or open-ended. A little bit of a typo. And this is question number 3. So I need to add a question. And the third question is going to be, do you think the model of the atom will change in the future? Why or why not? Now, this is not a multiple choice, so I'm going over and selecting a paragraph. Some students will write more, so I want to give them plenty of space. I'm not going to key in an automatic answer to this because it doesn't fit the bill. And then I'm actually going to show you a feature that I find really exciting. I'm going to create an essay question. And this is going to be question 4 on this quiz. And my essay question is, do you think the mixing in the video is a chemical change or a physical change? Explain by providing 3 pieces of evidence use vocabulary from Unit 1 in your response. Oh, I see a typo. Go back and fix that quickly. Now, I alluded to the fact I was going to use a video. So over in the controls on the right-hand side, you can see that there is an add a video symbol. And you'll see that YouTube comes up. And I've previously searched on YouTube for suitable videos. And so if I type in aluminum and copper chloride, several video possibilities will appear. And this is the video I do want. And just double clicking on it, loads the video. I am going to align this to the, into the center area. And I'm going to go back here, make sure that was a paragraph. Okay, and in my answer key, I'm going to make this worth 10 points. And so for now, I'm set with setting up this first quiz, and I need to send it to my students. And so I selected send, and you'll see that I can email my students. So for example, sometimes I'll email it to myself just to take the quiz and make sure it's what I expected. I can also create a link, and when I create the link, I can shorten it. If I go back to the email possibility, you can also include the form itself in the email. If I use the link, I can cut, copy, and paste this link into Google Classroom, and then have students take it when I release it, or when I post it in class. There's many other ways to use Google Forms. I'm just showing you how to use it as a quiz. I hope you find this helpful, and thank you for listening.